Wow, Jamal, sick shirt. Thanks, it's from Uniqlo. It's actually not from Uniqlo. But in this video, I am going to dig into how Uniqlo tripled one revenue metric in just 2 weeks by using Google AI to turn its mobile app into an in-stores sales driver. If none of that made sense to you, don't worry. By the end of this video, you're gonna be an expert, which means that I'm gonna lay out the strategies that you can use to increase your own AdSense performance along the way. What's up? It's Jamal. And welcome back to the channel. So back in 2019, Uniqlo's Japan division was looking to convert its most high-value digital users, people with the Uniqlo app on their smartphones, into brick and mortar customers. Well, according to a case study published on the official Think with Google website, the Uniqlo digital marketing team decided to run an experiment to see if they could use app engagement ads to trigger in-store activities. Things like placing an online order for in-store pickup, or opening a digital coupon that can only be used for in-store purchases. The goal was to positively impact in-store revenue and have a clear KPI that could be easily tracked. Whenever you're planning an online campaign, it's important to approach your intention with that level of clarity. So consider that the first lesson for every marketer. Have well-defined KPIs. Working with Google's AdSense team, Uniqlo set the experiment to run for 4 weeks. The first 2 weeks were focused on running traditional app installation ads, the kind you usually see on Google Search, Android, YouTube, and the Google Play Store. This was done to establish a baseline for performance against which the success or failure of the newer app engagement ads would be compared. This is another important lesson when planning your digital ads. You have to set performance benchmarks for any campaign. In this case, both app install ads and app engagement ads had a positive effect on in-store revenue when compared to running no ads. The goal was to determine which ads would have a greater effect on revenue if factors like ad spend and creative were kept constant. Given all the different ways ad platforms like Google or Facebook will let you customize your targeting, even advanced users can become overwhelmed by trying to optimize campaigns. Pros know that to succeed, you have to be patient and limit the number of variables you test with each campaign. To further limit inconsistencies, the Uniqlo team had to update Google's AI tools with sales and ad distribution data every 7 days to make sure machine learning could create and place ads in a way that was tailored to app users. In other words, Uniqlo had to sync its CRM data with Google's ads targeting tools. This sort of integration is crucial for any marketer trying to use AI tools to optimize your campaigns, because AI can only be as good as the data it's fed. It's important to sync your CRM. Syncing your CRM is lesson 4 on our list. After 2 weeks of running app installation ads and another 2 weeks of running app engagement ads, it became clear that when it came to driving in-store revenue, the app engagement ads performed much better. 3 times better, in fact. Well, that's real neat for the Uniqlo team, but now what? Well, according to Google, by integrating its data with its ACs, Uniqlo could clearly visualize how its ads influenced app users' shopping decisions. In other words, every campaign you run has the potential to reveal new insights about the behavior of your users. This new intel can be valuable in planning your next campaign and the one after that, and the one after that as well. So even though I told you to set clear ROIs and limit your variables when planning a campaign, once that test is done, it's good to look beyond the specific metrics you were focused on and see what other insights might be available. If you need help planning, running, or reviewing your ad campaigns, check out HubSpot's free Ultimate Google Ads PPC Kit. It even comes with a checklist to go through every time you decide to run ads. You can download it for free in the description. And while you're down there, feel free to subscribe to this channel and ring the notification bell so that you never miss a new video breaking down all the ways you could be using big data to optimize your own marketing efforts. Now, if you'll excuse me, I think it's only right that I go to Uniqlo. I'm gonna find the closest Uniqlo, I walk the walk, and I talk that Uniqlo talk. Until then, I'll catch you next time.
I can't find this client info.
Have you heard of HubSpot? HubSpot is a CRM platform, so it shares its data across every application. Every team can stay aligned. No out-of-sync spreadsheets or dueling databases. HubSpot. Grow better.